Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
You all fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, we are learning the chapter decimals. Yesterday, we learned how to write the expanded form of decimals. Okay. Now, during our revision time, we will do more practice. So, let's start with our question number 17. I will call one by one to read. Okay. Question number 17. Srihari, did you get the page, Srihari? Page number 42. Question number 17. Yes, Kirtana got. Kirtana, read question number. Okay, I will call Srihari. Please take page number 42. Yes, Kirtana. Question number 17. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Louder, please louder.
Manish and Ravi represented the colored part of the figure as given.
Mm.
Manish 4 by 10. Ravi 0.04.
04. Whose representation is correct? Okay, so children, I will show you the picture. All of you have the picture with you, but we have to say who is correct. Manish says that this is 4 by 10, but Ravi says that this is 0.04. Whose representation is correct? We have to find out. Okay, so I will show you the picture, then you have to decide who is correct. Okay, children, all of you look at your look at the board. Don't write anything now. We have the picture with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the picture have total 5 plus 5, 10. So it is colored. First part is colored. Then we have here. Okay. So this is the question. So Manish, before Manish, we can say what is this? Mayuk, can you tell me? What is this fraction? Can you say this fraction? Look at the how many parts colored and total how much?
Ma'am, 4 by 10.
4 by 10. Yes, very good. 4 by 10. So children, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts colored out of total. So you can say now who is correct. So before saying that, can you tell me this decimal form? Decimal 4 by 10. How we can write 4 by 10? How we can write 4 by 10? Yes, Kirtana, you muted up. 4 by 10, how we will write in decimal?
0.04.
That who is saying that? Ravi. Yes, Ojas.
0.4.
Yes, 0.4. So here, Manish is already correct because look at here this question. Mayuk said the answer. So Manish is also saying this is 4 by 10. So Manish is correct. Yes, children. Now 4 by 10, how we will write 0.4? But Ravi says 0.04. This is wrong. Now children, all of you look at here. Look at the number of zeros here in question, this denominator, 1, 0. So 4 by 10, children, I am explaining again, please listen carefully. Here we have 1, 0. So how to write the decimal form? We will write the numerator 4. Okay. Then we will write the numerator 4. Now look at how many 0 here, only 1. So we will move from the right side 1 digit and put the decimal point over there. 0.4. So we simply write 0.4. Okay. So here 0.04. It have 2 decimal. So how we will write? We will write 0. This write the numerator. So after the digit we have 2. So in the denominator also we have 2. But here we have only 10. So who is correct? Manish is correct. Yes, children. So to find the decimal form, children, what we will do? We will look at the denominator. If I have 5 by 10, I will look at the denominator, 1 0, only 1 0. So we will write the numerator, Now only 1 0. So I will move from the right side only one digit and put the decimal point, one digit only. So the answer is 0.5. Understood? We know 2 by 10 is 0.2. Kirtana, tell me 6 by 10, how we will write?
0.6.
Yes, very good, 0.6. 4 by 10, how we will write, Arpida? 4 by 10? 4 by 10. 4 by 10, how we will write? 0 point?
0.10.
Yes. Yes, children, 4 by, okay, Nainiga, we started only one question, okay. So, children, 2 by 10 is 0.2. Okay, 3 by 10, how we will write the decimal form? 10. 0.3, okay. 4 by 10, how we will write? 0.4. 6 by 10, how we will write? 0.6. Okay, so here who is correct? Manish. Okay, so we will write together, children. Page number, this is page number 42. Children, no need to draw the picture. This picture is already in your book. Just to show, I have drawn here. We have already that in our book. Page number 42, question number 17. So what we have to do? The fraction of the colored part. The fraction of the colored part. Write fast with me. Some children are writing very fast. Some children are going to take the pencil, book very slow. Write it fast. The fraction of the colored part. The fraction of the colored part. Mayuk already said that. It is 4 by 10. 4 by 10. The fraction of the colored part, we can also see only 4 parts is colored, and out of that, out of the total is what? 10. Now write the decimal form, children. Decimal form. Decimal form. The fraction of the colored part is 4 by 10. Write the decimal form, the colored part of the decimal. The colored part as decimal. It is 4 by 10. How we can write? 0.4. 0.4. So who is correct? Manish representation is correct. So Manish's representation is correct. Manish's representation is correct. The fraction of the colored part is 4 by 10. Decimal form is 0.4. So look at here. Manish is already written 4 by 10. So he is correct. So Manish representation is correct. Felix, can you read question number 18? Children, write it fast, okay? After that, I will send the notes after this class. Yes, Felix, question number 18.
Yes, ma'am.
Louder. Question number 18.
Bag 1
Contains. Sorry, it's not audible. Felix, you can mute. Okay, Janvi. Some network issue. Felix, you can mute. Okay, Janvi. Louder,
Bag
please.
1 contains 75 by 10 kg of items and bag 2 contains
Felix, please mute your audio. Yes, Janvi.
63 by 10 kg of items. Express the weights as decimals.
Okay, so children, here the weight of bag 1. There are 2 bags. Bag 1, bag 2. 75 by 10 kilogram first one. Second one is 63 by 10. We had to write as decimal. Okay, how we will from look at the denominator. Look at the denominator. What is denominator? 10. How many 0 in 10? How many 0? 1. So after the decimal point, how many digits will be there? That will be same as 1.
0.75.
Look at me for here. Here in the denominator, how many 0? 10. How many 0 in 10? 1. So children, in the decimal form, the answer will have after the decimal point only 1 digit. Okay, after the decimal only 1 digit. We will do together. Because bag 1 I will do, bag 2 you have to do listen and you have to do alone bag 2. All the children please listen carefully. Question number 18. Question number 18. Weight of bag 1. It is given. Weight of bag 1. Weight of bag 1. It is given 75 by 10. 75 by 10 kilogram. 75 by 10 kilogram. You have to write in the decimal form. Decimal form. Okay, now all the children has to listen here. Stop writing. Stop writing and you have to listen here. Here, look at here. How many 0? How many 0? 1 0. So children, I will write the numerator, the same numerator. And look at the number of 0 here, only 1 0. So from the right side, I will move only 1 digit and put the decimal point. Okay? Is that clear? Look here. Let me see, is there anyone writing now? Look at the board. I will do one question. Bag 2 you have to do. Listen carefully. Very easy if you listen. Here, 75 by 10 is the question. Look at the number of zeros in the denominator. We have only 1 0. Only 1 0. So in the answer, we will just write the numerator 75. Now here only 1 0. So in the answer also we should have only 1 digit after the decimal point. So what we have to do? We will move from the right side 1 digit to the left side, put the decimal point. Now look here, after the decimal point we have how many digit? Only 1 digit. Okay. So you have to do question number back together, like we will 1 minute. Okay, children, I will write it again because this is very small. Question number 18. Weight of bag 1. Weight of bag 1. It is given. Weight of bag 1. 75 by 10 kilogram. 75 by 10 kilogram. You have to write the decimal form. Decimal form. To write the decimal form, children, what we have to do? We will write the numerator. We will write the numerator. We will write the numerator here. Look at the numerator here, 75. Look at the number of zeros here, 1. So from the right side to the left side also we should move only 1 decimal. Shift the point 1 digit from the right side. So what's the answer? 7.5 kilogram. 7.5 kilogram. The question is 75 by 10 kilogram. So what do we have to do? Write this numerator, then look at the number of zeros from the right side, move one digit, then put the decimal point. Kilogram. Okay, children, is that clear? Can you show me thumbs up? Is that clear? Now bag 2, you will do alone. I will write the step, you will do alone. Weight of bag 2. Weight of bag 2. Weight of bag 2 is given by 63 by 10 kilogram. 63 by 10 kilogram. Do alone. Find the decimal form, then that much kg. Kg means kilogram. Okay, children, tell me the answer. Tell me the answer.
6.3.
6.3. Very good. So, children, what we have to do here, from the right side, we will move one digit to the, from the right side, we will move one digit to the left side. So, it will be 6.3. So, look at here, after the decimal point, we have only one digit. Because in the denominator 10, we have only 1 0. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, like this we will do now question number 19. Jenika, can you read question number 19?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Given below is the distance between the houses of some students from their school.
Sharan, Nisha, Aditi, Arun, we have many children. The distance is given by meter. Okay, so can you, do you remember in class 3 we learned 1 kilometer will be, 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter?
1,000.
1000, very good. Okay children, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So to convert meter into kilometer, what we have to do? Divide by which number? Divide by 1 kilometer is 1000. Divide by 1000. Yes. Divide by 1000. So here also children, I will show you one. The other 3 you have to write alone. Okay. You have to write alone. So what we have to do children, 1 kilometer is equal to, we will write together question number 19. Children, write smaller because we after writing this 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter and all, we had to draw the box. We will write the answer in the box. Okay. So here 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Isha, can you see the board clearly? Isha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So to convert meters into kilometers. To convert meters into kilometers. Meters into kilometers, we divide by 1000. We divide by 1000. Okay, in meter, the distance is given. We have to convert into kilometer. What we have to do? Divide by 1000. After this, children, we have to draw a table. We will draw one table. So here in the first box, we will write name. Second box, we will write the distance in meters. Distance in meter. Distance in meter. The next one, we will write distance in kilometer. Distance in kilometer. So the first person is Sharon. Risa, look at the table in the question and tell me, Sharon, how much distance from Sharon's house? Can you look at the question and tell me? Yes? Manav, how much distance from Sharon's house? Look at the question.
6,740 meters.
Yes, 6,740 meters. Okay, now distance in kilometer we had to find out. So what we have done here? Divide by 1,000. So what we have to do? Distance in kilometer. This column we had to write 6,740 divided by 1,000. So children, first one I will help you. Look at here, all of you. All the children, please look at the board. All the children, please look at the board. First one only I will help you. The others you will do. Now look here, children. How many zeros here? Yes, Rudra. Look at the board. In 1,000, how many zero? Rudra. How many zero?
3.
3. So children, we have to move the decimal place according to the number of zeros in the denominator. So here in the denominator we have 3 0. So what we have to do? We have to move the place. 1, 2, 3. So after 3 digits from the right side. 1, 2, 3. Then put the decimal point. So it is 6.740. 6.740. All other question you have to do like this. Distance in K. Distance in kilometer. Distance in kilometer. Six 740 divided by 1,000. So what we have to do? Children, 1, 2, 3. After this we will put the decimal point. Now children, write for Sharon is given. Then Nisha. After Nisha, children, you have to write for Aditi. After Aditi, what we will write? Arun. So look at the question. Nisha, 8824 meter. 8824 meter. Aditi, 7548. 7548 meter. Arun, 6998 meter. Now children, divide by 1,000 and find out the answer. 8824 by 1,000. 7548 divided by 1,000. 6998 divided by 1,000. Children, please tell me the answer for Nisha. What is the decimal form of distance for Nisha? Yes, children? Who can tell me?
8.824.
Very good. 8.824. 8.824. So children, look at here. After the decimal point, we have 1, 2, 3 digits. Why? Because in the denominator we have 3 0. Okay. Now for Aditi. 548. Okay. Now the last one for Arun. 6.998. So children, only thing you have to count the number of zeros in the denominator. So here in the all questions we have 1003 zeros. So in our answer, in the decimal form also, we should have after the decimal point 3 digits. So what we will do from the right side, we will move 3 digits to the left. Only that much. Okay children, it's clear? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now question number 20. I will call one by one to read. Otherwise, it will not be clear.
Itself do it also alone.
I will help you how to write the steps. Now, children, please turn on your camera. Some videos are off. Danvin, can you read? Where is Danvin? Can you read question number 20, Danvin?
Ma'am. Sheila sells
It's like a puzzle, like tongue twister. Sheila sells seashells by the seashore. Yes? Okay. Tell me.
the quantity in
Quantity of seashells, it is given in kilogram. In different days. Okay. Monday, how much? Monday?
6 by 10.
6 by 10. So children, Monday 6 by 10. So can you tell 6 by 10? What is the decimal form of 6 by 10? Yes? 0. 0.6. Very easy. 0.6. So we just need to write. Look at the number of zeros in 10. How many zeros in 10? Only 1. So from you will write 6, then move 1 digit. So after the decimal point we have only 1 digit, 0.6. So what will be 5 by 10? 0.5. So Friday, this is 7 by 10. So what's answer? 0. 9 by 10, 0.9. Very easy. Yes? We will write together.
Yes, ma'am.
So you children, we will write again the box, table. Question number 20. We can write Monday. Sheila sells how much? It's 6 by 10. It is 6 by 10. So children, we can draw the box. 6 by 10, 0.6. Now children, if anyone have again any confusion, look here. How many 0 here? How many 0 here? 1. So we will write the numerator. We will write the numerator. Then move from the right side to the left by 1 digit. Then place the decimal point 0.6. Okay, 0.6. Now, like this, write for Wednesday, Friday, Wednesday, Friday. Then Saturday. Six by 10 is 0.6. So we have 5 by 10. Children, write alone. 5 by 10. 7 by 10. The last one, Saturday, it is 9 by 10. 9 by 10. .6, like that, how will write 0.5, 0.7, 0.9. Zero, 0.6, 0.5, 0.7, 0.9. Okay, children. Then we finished. Okay, Celine, finished. Can you read the next one? Question number 21.
Write the decimal that represent the shaded part.
Shaded part. Okay, we have to write the decimal for the shaded part. So question number A. Question number A. One full part is shaded. Yes, children. One full part, and in question number A, one full part, and again see the next part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 10 parts. So children, I will write the parts. You have to write in the decimal form. Question number 21. Question number A. Fraction. Question number A. Fraction. One full part. That is one full part, and the other one is 8 by 10. 8 by 10. So children, you have to write the decimal form for this. Decimal form. So we have, Manas, can you tell me what's the answer? Decimal form 1, and we have 8 by 10 also. So how we can write?
1.8.
Ah, very good. 1.8. 1. We will write the integral part. That is the whole part. 8 by 10 is 0.8. Okay, 1. Very good. So question number B. Children, look at question number B. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by 10. Fraction is 9 by 10. So write the decimal form. Very easy. We have done till now like this, decimal form. Question number 20 also we have written 9 by 10. What's the answer, Sarah? We have written already. Yes, in question number 20 also. 9 by 10. What's the answer? Decimal form. Decimal form.
Point.
So we will write 0 point. Okay. Point
9.
9. Very good. 0.9. 0.9. 0.9. Question number 22, Diya, can you read? That is a complete the pattern, missing letters. Yes, that we know already. Here, this is for decimal numbers, only that much difference. So, can you read?
Yes, ma'am. Observe the pattern in these decimals and write the next 3 numbers in each.
Observe the pattern. So, question number A, we have the pattern 2.32, 2.34, 2.36. 34, 2.36. Now children, look at here. The integral part is same. 2, 2, 2. Here, 32, 34, 36. What will be the next? What will be the next? It is adding by 2 digits. So what's the answer, children? Say fast.
38.
38. Very good. After 38?
38.
After 38?
40.
40. Very good. After 40? 42. Very easy. Yes. So children, write like this. Do alone. This is very easy. Like KG children. We are just skip counting. So children, do the next one also. 1 and 1. 1.10, 1.10, 1.20, 1.30. Then complete.
Am I finished?
Finish. What's the answer?
Finished.
1 point?
1.40.
40, 1.50.
1.50,
Children, we will write 1.40, 1.50. Okay. Now, next one. 4.15, 4.25, 4.35.
4.45, 4.55,
Very good. Now do the next one also. 4.455, 4.65.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Ma'am, I'll say, ma'am.
Ah.
22.44.
22.11, 22.22, 22.33. Yes. Tell me the next. 22.44. Very good. After that, 6. Very good. 22.55, 22.66. Yes, children. Very easy. It's like skip counting. And it's a pattern also. We can find out here how many numbers are increasing. Okay, children? Finished? I will send the notes if anyone has joined or any children have some network problem. I will just send these answers after this class. So if you have anything to complete, you can complete. Okay, children? Now in the next class, we will start another chapter. Okay, children? Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank